5 hours to do. Remember when I said I was gonna get a bust down this year? Here are the rules of getting a retie. Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a retie, and I have not done a retie since January, okay? I interlock and palm roll my hair. I don't have a specific method that I have stuck to. I decided to choose both of them, and that works for me. My locks are not broken yet, so I am assuming that that works for me. I retie my hair 3 to 4 times a year, and I palm roll in between. If you want me to go more in detail about how I pick, how I do all that, just let me know down in the comments. Here are the rules of getting a retie. Number 1, make sure that your hair is moisturized. Number 2, make sure that your hair is somewhat still damp. And number 3, you gotta have the tools. So this is what I'm gonna be using to retie my hair, and I usually use the straight one in the middle. That is the one that perfectly fits my locks, and I use this because when I use the crochet hook, the thing just falls out of my hands because my hands are small. So that is why I'm gonna be using this today. Okay. So in terms of products, you can decide to use gel for your reties, but I don't think I'm gonna use gel for my entire head. I think I'm gonna only use it for the front to make sure that the front looks sleek and snatched, and yeah, you get it. Okay. And you're gonna need a good spray and leave-in conditioner. The last thing you're gonna need is an oil, but then I'm not gonna use the oil right now. I'm just gonna use the oil after I'm done interlocking my hair. So this is the hair that we're dealing with. Nice and wet, something of the sorts. I usually start retying my hair from the back, but today I'm gonna retie from the front and see if it makes a difference in my efforts and my energy. I'm gonna see which one is faster. So let me shut up and begin the process. Hold on me. Remember when I said I was gonna get a bust down this year? So I'm gonna be using 3 hair ties to separate my hair. I'm gonna use 2 for the front and then 1 for the back, and then I'm gonna start off in the front. So once you get the section that you want to work on, you need to make sure that you have separated your locks like this, and make sure that no lock is going into the other lock. One of my tips I'm going to give for this is that you need to be separating your roots every single time you wash your hair to prevent the retie from hurting. results. This took me 5 hours to do. As you can see, my bust down is incoming. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Retie.